Hi YouTube, this is my first Airsoft unboxing, and that's pretty much it. Just gonna cut this open. I don't see why people always have trouble opening these. It's not like they want it to be hard to open. Got my scope. Maybe you can guess what I'm getting. Bet you can't guess what these are. Oh, oops. Didn't mean to cut that bag. I got some Metal Tac .2 BBs, 4,000 of them. And now for the big box. If you can't guess what it is by now, I'm sorry. That noise in the background is my phone. Yeah, whenever you order a gun, make sure, like, you know if it needs to be signed for, because mine was supposed to get here yesterday, but it didn't because it needed to be signed for, and they thought it would be cool to try and sign, or get someone to sign at 9:15 a.m. So this is my Dragunov SVD A&K. It's got a, oh, it said it came with a high cap mag, but this doesn't look to be high cap. But oh well. No one needs that many shots. I got the upgrade and scope package, so got the scope mount, and the upgrade. And let's open up the scope. See what this is. Got the, it was supposed to come with the downgrade spring, because this one, I think it's chronographed at 560 FPS. Scope comes with a lens cleaner, the do not eat stuff, those are gone, the rings, and it is a 3 to 9 times 40. It's a pretty nice scope. It is full metal, except for the hand grip, the hand guard, and the skeleton stock. Still trying to find if they have the downgrade spring for me, because it's kind of hard to pull back. Wow, that's pretty embarrassing. I can't even pull it back my own gun. But yeah, that's about it. I'll have a review later after I zero in.